Starting with the X Pro 3, Fujifilm added a new feature called Color Chrome Effect Blue, which is very similar to Color Chrome Effect, but instead of affecting greens and reds, it only affects blue. But it pretty much does the same thing. It deepens and darkens the blues within an image. Again, we have examples of it off, weak, and strong. Again, this is the Kodachrome 64 film simulation recipe. So,
and you would traditionally, or you would use it mostly in landscapes to really bring out some kind of detail in a very blue sky, I guess.
yeah, it'll make well, in film, the way that it renders different colors, each film is a little bit different. So as we're trying to, copy the aesthetic of a certain film, we can look at the blues and see how deep are they. And this is a tool to get us a little bit closer to that aesthetic. Another thing I want to point out is that some cameras don't have the color chrome effect or the color chrome effect blue options. And if you notice, there is a difference when you're using weak, but it's not a huge difference. So if the recipe calls for color chrome effect or color chrome effect blue weak and your camera doesn't have that feature, you can still use the recipe and it'll look very similar. It won't look 100% the same, but it'll look very similar. Now, strong, on the other hand, is a pretty noticeable difference. So it's harder to use that recipe and expect to get similar results if your camera doesn't have those features.